This is a 2012 Toyota Sienna. It has a 6-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features and packages include a power moonroof, heated seats, a 10-speaker audio system, alloy wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: air conditioning with automatic climate control, a split folding rear seat, cruise control, a CD player, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, front side impact airbags, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, a HomeLink feature, a rear window defroster, and this vehicle has fewer than 31,000 miles on the odometer. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.
Mazda of Greenfield is located at 3520 South 108th Street in Greenfield. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits. Experience the Darrow difference.